Porter's Diamond Model is a strategic framework developed by Michael Porter to explain why certain nations or regions develop sustainable competitive advantages in particular industries. Unlike Porter's 5 forces, which analyses competition within an industry, Porter's Diamond evaluates the national business environment that supports industrial competitiveness and international success. Within the program, the model is primarily applied to assess the attractiveness of potential foreign markets and to support international expansion decisions. By analyzing the interaction between national competitive factors, organizations can identify locations that provide favorable conditions for innovation, productivity growth, and long-term competitive advantage in global markets. The first determinant, factor conditions, refers to the quantity and quality of production resources available within a country. Porter distinguishes between basic factors, such as natural resources, climate, geographical location, and raw materials, and advanced factors, including highly skilled labor, research institutions, telecommunications infrastructure, technological capability, and sophisticated education systems. Although basic factors may provide initial competitive advantages, advanced factors are generally more important for sustaining innovation-driven industries. Countries investing heavily in education, digital infrastructure, scientific research, and technological development create environments where firms can continuously improve productivity and generate superior competitive performance. Consequently, multinational corporations frequently evaluate factor conditions when determining foreign direct investment locations and international production networks. The second determinant, demand conditions, examines the nature and sophistication of domestic customers. Highly demanding local consumers encourage firms to innovate continuously, improve product quality, adopt advanced technologies, and anticipate emerging global market trends before international competitors. Sophisticated domestic demand creates pressure for continuous product development and operational excellence, enabling firms to acquire competitive capabilities that later support international expansion. For example, technologically advanced consumers often accelerate innovation within digital industries by expecting higher product functionality and service quality. Thus, strong domestic demand not only stimulates growth but also enhances organizational learning and innovation capacity. The third determinant, related and supporting industries, emphasizes the importance of strong supplier networks and industrial clusters. Competitive local suppliers provide high-quality inputs, technological expertise, rapid information exchange, and collaborative innovation opportunities that strengthen organizational performance. Geographic concentration of interconnected industries promotes knowledge spillovers, efficient logistics, and collaborative research activities that collectively enhance industrial competitiveness. Well-developed supporting industries enable firms to respond rapidly to technological change, reduce transaction costs, and improve supply chain resilience. The existence of internationally competitive suppliers therefore strengthens the overall competitiveness of domestic firms operating within the same industrial ecosystem. The fourth determinant, firm strategy, structure, and rivalry, considers how companies are organized, managed, and governed within their national environment, together with the intensity of domestic competition. Vigorous domestic rivalry forces organizations to improve efficiency, innovate continuously, and develop superior managerial capabilities. Competitive domestic markets encourage firms to adopt best practices, invest in research and development, and pursue operational excellence long before entering international markets. National governance systems, ownership structures, corporate cultures, and managerial philosophies also influence strategic decision-making and organizational adaptability. Countries characterized by intense domestic competition frequently produce globally competitive firms because rivalry acts as a catalyst for continuous improvement and strategic innovation. An important feature of Porter's Diamond is the interaction among its 4 determinants rather than their independent effects. Advanced factor conditions strengthen innovation, sophisticated demand stimulates quality improvement, supporting industries accelerate technological development, and domestic rivalry reinforces organizational capability. Together, these mutually reinforcing elements create self-sustaining competitive ecosystems that enhance national industrial performance. Strategic leaders should therefore evaluate the overall business environment rather than relying on individual competitive factors when considering international expansion or global investment decisions. Porter's Diamond provides a valuable framework for assessing international strategic opportunities and evaluating country attractiveness for market entry, outsourcing, foreign investment, or global supply chain development. The model supports strategic decisions concerning location selection by analyzing infrastructure quality, customer sophistication, supplier capability, and competitive intensity within potential host economies. It complements broader strategic tools such as Pastel analysis and five forces analysis by incorporating national competitiveness into strategic evaluation and international business planning. Ultimately, Porter's diamond demonstrates that sustainable competitive advantage extends beyond organizational resources to encompass the institutional, economic, technological, and competitive characteristics of the national environment. Organizations operating within supportive national ecosystems benefit from stronger innovation capability, higher productivity, and greater international competitiveness.